Dr. Lewis is the Department Director of Corporate Operations for the Naval Surface Warfare Center, Crane Division, of the U.S. Naval Sea Systems Command. Angie and her staff are responsible for ensuring a mission-ready environment for the command's operations. She is a member of several professional engineering associations and is a lifetime member and past president of the Hoosier Hills chapter of Federally Employed Women. She also serves in other volunteer board positions. Here is Dr. Lewis.
As a leader within a Naval Research Laboratory, one of the things that we use to really draw people into the mission and to get buy-in and engagement out of the employees is that reminder of being a part of something that is much larger and greater. And I think within the public service arena that we tend to rely on that greater good as a part of the real draw to being an employee. And so from a leadership perspective, we really trade on the impact of our mission on, in our case, national defense. And one of the things that we've found as we've pivoted through this current environment is in a remote type workplace, we're starting to learn more about people as individuals. And authenticity is very important for leaders. And we found that once you make yourself known in a more authentic way, which happens in a virtual environment when you're working out of your home, and you also get to know your employees on a different level when you see the things that they're doing within their homes to remain engaged and productive, then the level of trust seems to increase, and people really become, less guarded with one another and see one another as individuals and more as equals. And so that's been one of the unintended consequences, I think, that we've found in going to a remote environment is really just that ability to learn more about our people and for them to know more about us. And what I've tried to do personally is just spend time talking about the great amount of appreciation, just the how impressed I've been with what we've been able to maintain, and then provide some assurances that we will work to maintain levels of work-life balance that the employees need and want as we come out of this environment. And I can even remember having someone ask me in the past, well, how do you let people know that you care about them? And, I work in a highly scientific environment with a lot of scientists, engineers, technicians, and it just kind of surprised me when I got that question before. And I said, well, the best way for people to feel like you care about them is for you to care about them. And I think that as we've all learned to adapt and operate and remain productive through this health pandemic that's facing our country, that we've learned how to relate and connect with people in a way that we hadn't done before.